So now, so this is audio wave. So you can see I keep the cursor and playing the audio.
ಅವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
So here you can see the both speaker are speaking, but this is from this part is from one speaker, this part is from another speaker. Okay, so now what you have to do, click the speaker 1 and keep the cursor and drag it over here. So automatically you can see it's highlighted. If you click this, you can see the provide transcription below the working area. So now you can type what the person has spoken in the same language, and you can add it over here. If you want to edit, you can edit here. If you want to delete this, then keep the select the segment, and you can see a small icon over the submit button, below the submit button. If you click this, there is an option of delete segmentation. Don't use this option. So this will be deleting complete file. Okay, so if now I deleting this, the audio is completely deleted. Whichever has worked earlier, it is completely deleted. You can see this, right? It's a completely deleted. So one second, I'll show you how to create from first. So don't use this delete option. It will be completely erase your complete file. So if you want to edit particular this one segment, so only use the icon which is below the submit button. Okay, so now you can see this is the audio. So I'm playing the audio.
Hello. Hi, Bharat.
So you can see in this part, so you can maximize, you can zoom the audio wave, so it will be easier to identify the speeches. Okay, again see,
Hello.
you can see this hello is one person, this hello is by second person. So now keep the cursor, go to speaker 1 and drag here. So this is hello, then hello, right? So now it's completed, and keep the cursor again. This is speaker 2, right? Select the speaker 2 and drag it here. So you can see this is. If you want to play the audio, like play the particular part continuously, you can double click the segment. So now see.
Hello.
If you want to edit or delete, you can use this edit button, and you can, once you're done, hello, how are you, or something, if they're mixed, and you can save the option here. Okay, and if you want to edit, you can edit also. But if you want to completely delete the segment, then you can use select the segment and go to the icon below the submit button and click here, and you select the segment and delete the segment. Okay,
Why would we need to delete the segment? Because that is to be transcribed, no?
yeah, transcript if you want to delete. So for example, if you've done wrongly or something, if you want to delete, you can use that. Okay, so click on the segment. Creating segment is one. So another question will be like how to edit or delete, right? So that is option I was teaching you. Okay, now this done, this done. Again, that is, you can see there is no speech at all. Okay, you play the audio.
Hi, Bharat.
So this is again from speaker 1. Okay, right? So now go to speaker 1, select here and drag it, and select the segment, and you can add the transcription. Hello, Bharat. But you have to type in Marathi only or Malayalam only. Hello, Bharat, you have to type in Marathi only. You should not type what? In English. I typing in English because I don't know this language. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to type in the same. For hello, Bharat, then you have to type in Marathi also. Hello, Bharat. Okay, now.
Hi, Nagesh. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
So this completely spoken by same speaker.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನು?
But this is another speaker. So here you only going to classify the speakers. Wherever the speaker complete, you can stop the speech, stop the segment, and you're going to make a new segment. Okay, now click on the segment. So automatic. So whenever this is highlighted, if you click and drag, again the speaker 1 will be coming on. Right, but we want what? Speaker 2. So in this case, what you can do, you can first create the speaker and edit it, and if you choose speaker 2, automatically it will be changed. Select and speaker 2.
Okay.
You can use this option also. So here you can edit, for example, 1 second. So now this segment, what you can see, I created the segment like a bit earlier only. So I want to correct the segment. In that case, keep the cursor at the front point, and you can see the cursor is different. Cursor is looking in different way. Then you can do the editing, right? You can see this, right?
Mm.
If the cursor looking like in this arrow, so it will be moving the segment. But if you want to edit the adjust the segment timeline, so then you keep the cursor at the end of the point, so automatically you will see only 2 arrow marks. Okay, you can
Mm.
edit it.
Mm.
So now to again you type the content what is, again is go to next segment and play this.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೀನು.
So again this is from another speaker. Keep the cursor, this is speaker 1. So based on the voice, we will become to know who is speaker 1 and who is speaker 2. So be very carefully. Don't change the speaker in between. Okay. So now this is done.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
So
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀನು.
this is from again another
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
speaker.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Stop and keeping the cursor, and I'm going to speaker 2, and I created the speaker. Again, by clicking the segment, I can type the content again here. This is completed.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So this is from speaker 1. So if you want to deselect it, you can click here. If you, because this is speaker 1, right? So if you click here, automatically the 2 will be deselected. Again, keep the cursor and go to speaker 1 and drag it, right?
Mm.
And you add the transcription over here.
ನಿಮ್ದು? ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು?
So this is same speaker only. In that case, what I can do, I can use the same box to expand. I don't want to create multiple small segments,
Mm.
because that is also spoken with the same speaker.
Mm.
If the speaker is changing, what I can do, I can create another box. Okay, and one more rule. There is only one rule is there, that is the segment should not exceed more than 15 seconds. This particular box should not be created more than 15 seconds. So how you can identify? So if you keep the cursor at the end of the box, you can see the timing over here 10, 12. So the segment is for only what, 2 seconds. If the same speaker having continuously speaking for more than 15 to 20 minutes, you creating a one box continuously. In that case, what you can do, you can stop the box before 50. For example, you can see. So here completely there is a gap. In that case, what you can do, you can create small box only. But in some case, if the speaker continuously picking here to here, but if you calculate this more than 15 seconds, then what you can do, you can cut before 14 seconds only.
Okay.
Okay, so the people who worked in Loft or some other platform, they know this. It's a very simple one, creating the box. But while creating, if the box is more than 15 seconds, okay, then you have to stop the box and you have to create about new boxes. You got it right?
Okay.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
So then is second, then you go to second, creating and box. So click cursor and you type the content what you hear. If so you only want to hear this portion, then what you can do, you can double click here.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
And one more thing, so in the transcription, whatever you hear, you have to type. For example, ha, who, like, so whatever ha, then means you have to type in the native language what, ha only. If you want to type the person whatever he speak in English good, then you have to type the good in your native language only, in Marathi
Mm.
only. You should not translate. You should not translate. You should type in the same language only.
Right.
Okay, good means good in Marathi, good.
Mm.
So you have to use the Marathi akshara, good morning, bus,
Mm.
office. Okay, whatever is there. However, if we here, we have to type in same languages only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next. So next one is like the, for example, so if the person is speaking, but you're not able to hear the some particular word. Something it's like this, the person is speaking, you're not able to hear the word clearly. So then what you can type, you type what you hear. If the word is not clear, you have to use unclear. Instead of typing the word you guessing, what you can do, you can type only what, unclear.
Okay.
You don't want to type the unknown word or is not clear word. Okay, and this is one. And if you hear something, the person is coughing, then you have to type what,
Good.
coughing. If a person is laughing, then you type what, laughing. Okay, for example, in this particular segment, the person is
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
while speaking, he laughing, then what you have to do, here you, once you type the person's speech and then you type what, laughing or whatever he doing, that you can type. And one more thing, another option, if the speaker speaking angry with angry, then you can type. If the speaker one is angry, if you mark what speaker one angry, if you find that one. If the speaker two is two sad, happy, what. So we will be giving you a detailed guideline. What is what for what we have to type this and all. Apart from this, the basic rule is you should not create a segment more than what 15 seconds. Okay. And whenever the word is not clear, what you have to use? You have to use unclear. So wherever the person is coughing or laughing, you have to use this one. And wherever the person is angry, you have to type like this one. So if the speaker one is angry, then you mark it as what? Speaker one is angry. You got it right? Or sad. So if you want to edit or delete, you can use this. And if you want to now, for example, in the same box, the both you can hear the both speakers speaking at the same time. So that is called overlap. In that case, what you can do? One second. So the home, right? So this is speaker one. Keep the cursor and do. And what you have to type? The person type speaking home, right? Then you type home. And make sure the cursor at the end of the transcription. You should not give extra spaces like this. Okay. And now again in this place the both speakers are speaking. In that case, what you can do? You can create an overlap segment. So that is called overlap speech. So first I created the speech for what? Speaker one. In this particular place, they both are saying okay, okay. In that case, what I have to do? I have to create a overlap also. So now I already created a box for speaker one. Then again I want to create for whom? Speaker two. So keep the select speaker, select speaker, first select the speaker one now, and I want to create a segment outside. Keep the cursor outside of the box and select speaker 2 and create a segment, and you drag it inside where you can hear the another person's speech. If in particular audio space you can hear both the people speaking at the same time, in that case we want to create what? Overlap. In that case, first create a main speaker and you create a like second speaker and you can drag inside. Anyone have any doubt on this? How to create a overlap speech?
And but while transcribing, how do we write it?
So if you click this box, you can see, you can type what you hear for speaker one. If you select this box, you can have here. So hi, this is one box, and this is another box. This you can type what you hear for speaker one. Here you can type for what you hear for speaker two. That's it. You can see this, right? So this box is separate. This box is separate. Anyone have any doubt on this?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So like this way. So Victor, where are the
மேம் அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது சொல்லிருங்க மேம். அவங்க ஸ்பீக்கர் அது என்னது ஓவர்லாப் பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சின்னதை செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ரெண்டாவது பெருசு செலக்ட் பண்றாங்க.
Yeah. So first, so while creating segmentation overlap, first do the main segment and do the small segment. For example, in this place, speaker 2 is speaking, but you can hear speaker 1 here in this place. In that case, first you create the main speaker only, the who's the speaking more words. Then you create another segment for speaker 1 or something. And once you create the segment, what you can do? You can pull it over inside the segmentation. So make sure, so when you creating overlap, it should be the main speaker should be in the first, and the second speaker should be in out of the box only. You should not create like this. What I can show you. Do not first you creating this box. After that you creating like this will be not valid. You got it right? First create the main segment and create what? Another segment. So first create the main segment, main speaker, and one or two, whatever, whoever miss, and then create a second segment and you can drag it here. Okay, make sure the overlap segment has to be created what? On the second time only, on second page only. You should not create in a first base. Okay, anyone have any doubt?
மேம்
Yes, ma'am.
ஃபில்லர் வேர்ட்ஸா இருந்தா கூட இப்படி ஓவர்லாப் செக்மெண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணலாமா?
பண்ணிக்கலாம். டைப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். you can overlap பண்ணிட்டு அவங்க கீழ போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay.
laughing cup.
I'll put a laughing, coughing. So whatever the person is laughing, you have to type inside what? Square bracket. So wherever the person is, the word is not clear, you have to type unclear. If the speaker is angry or sad, you have to type at the end of the segment. Once you complete, for example.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ನೋಡ್ದ
So this word I will be typing here. After typing this, what I do, if there is any emotions like laughing or coughing, I can type here. The person is coughing in this place. What I can do? I can do this. I can type like this. Okay. Anyone have any doubt on this? How to create the box? This is a very simple. So there will be only 2 speakers. So based on the 2 speakers, you have to create segmentation and you have to type the transcription. Okay. So normally I will show you. For some people, you can see this box is there and this box will be there. So once you open the dashboard, you can hide this. You can see the arrow mark over here, sorry, small icon over here. If you click this, it will be hidden. So whenever you want, you can open it. But most of the things you not needed. Only for deleting segmentation, you need this panel. Otherwise, you can hide it. Otherwise, you can hide it. You only work on the what? Only work on the audio part, and the transcription part will be given below. If you want to edit, do edit only. Don't for example, if you already added the transcription, if again you are adding something, make sure you do not do like this. If you want to edit for the particular segment, use the edit option. You can see the edit option is there, and once you're doing editing, you can save it here. Okay, until completing the file. This file is like 17 minutes file. You can see this, right? This file is for 17 minutes. Until completing this file, you should not submit. You can work on the file for continuously, but once you complete the complete file, then only you can submit this. Anyone have any doubts?
This software you will be providing us,